After close to 1 hour of time, 42 degrees, 43 in the iQOO 7 device and 42 in the iQOO 9 SE. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, iTech. In this we're going to do the 1 hour of CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO 7 device versus iQOO 9 SE device. So this is a kind of intense testing which I'm trying to do, friends, between these both phones exactly. Let's find out after 1 hour of CPU throttling test what will be the order graphs, and I'll try to use with the 100 threads during this process of demonstration. So 100 threads and 1 hour of testing non-stop continuously. So let me to increase the time here, 60 minutes. Yes, exactly 60 minutes, and we'll try to find out exactly what will happen regarding the overall graph and regarding the temperature readings as well, how much. And right now, as you can see, this exact temperature I am trying to use, brightness levels I am trying to use between these both phones, exactly same brightness levels. Let's see friends how much battery will decrease during this process of testing. Both are exactly 100% charged. You can clearly see here 100%, and let's start the test. And my room temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius. My room temperature, day by day it's getting pretty high temperatures in my room, 36 and 36 and 34 regarding the temperatures. You can clearly see friends my room temperature and everything. So every day it's increasing, friends, and still there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room. So you can clearly see 34 degrees Celsius. Again, I'll be back after maybe 15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes. We'll try to see exactly the graph, what's going on, and about the performance also, what's happening with the performance number. We'll try to figure out. Again, I'll be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, the time is about close to 32 minutes of time exactly. Right now, as you can clearly see, 32 minutes. And you can see the graph between these both phones, and battery drop to 85% and 88% in the iQOO 7 device and the iQOO 9 SE device. And you can see the performance number, it's kind of pretty similar regarding the performance scores between these both phones exactly after 30 minutes of time. And regarding the temperatures, 41.8 degrees Celsius and 42.4 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 34.2 degrees Celsius. iQOO 7 seems to be having slightly high temperatures than the iQOO 9 SE. That's kind of shocking to see. At this moment, this is the iQOO 7 device. Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 888 processor, 42 and 42.6. Slightly higher. That's not a huge, but just a little bit. I will be back after 45 minutes or maybe 1 hour of time. Then we'll try to discuss more details, exactly what's going on with the CPU throttling. Right now, as you can see, friends, the time is about close to 46 minutes of time. So right, 46 minutes, and the temperature is about 41.8 and 42.4. So definitely, friends, slightly higher in the iQOO 7 device, just a little bit. And that can be another reason, because the brightness did not decrease in the iQOO 7 device, but brightness decreased slightly to maintain low temperatures in the iQOO 9 SE device. That might be another reason why it's like that. But anyway, this is a graph looks like between these both phones exactly. So you can see the yellow kind of color, not red color. Red color is only can be there in the iQOO 9 SE device. Red color at this moment exactly. And battery percentage, I think 79% in the iQOO 7 device, 79 and 83% in the iQOO 9 SE device. iQOO 7 79, 83 in the iQOO 9 SE device. I can be back after 60 minutes of time exactly. Let's see friends in the next 60 minutes how much the performance will be dropping. And you can see right now the performance numbers also got dropped in the iQOO 9 SE. And iQOO 7 maintaining about 2,70,000 and 2,60,000, slightly dropped. I will be back after 1 hour of time. Right now, as you can see, friends, exactly we are reaching close to 1 hour of CPU throttling test non-stop between these both phones. That's going to be really interesting, friends, regarding the overall drop test exactly. Right now, as you can see the graph, this is how the graph looks like between these both phones if you try to compare side by side. And you can see the graph, and you can see the performance numbers as well, how it's kind of performance numbers maintaining. And regarding the temperatures, 42.4 degrees Celsius and 43 degrees Celsius. iQOO 7 degrees, 43. Oh my god, that's pretty high. Right now, as you can see, friends, this is the final test scores, and you can see the performance score in the iQOO 7 is maintaining close to 3 lakhs. That's really high, I would say. Even at the end of the test also, it's maintaining pretty good regarding the performance scores. Not bad. And finally, this is the 1 hour of CPU throttling graph which we got exactly, and now you can actually compare it side by side regarding the overall scores. So try to look at the highest score, 340 in the iQOO 7 device, 325, 261 and 284. 264 and 234. You can see the scores are pretty high in the iQOO 7 device, and CPU throttling is also 78%, not bad. And battery drop to 78% and 73%. Even with high performance mode, but still the battery, I think that's the reason why the battery dropped slightly more, 73 versus 78. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the CPU throttling test comparison. So I think you got a clear idea, right, what's going on between these two phones. Meanwhile, signing off until I stay for more updates. Until then, bye.